Listen. Tell me all why you always walk away. My heart just isn't strong enough to see you live in pain. It's like the promises is all you need is gone astray. I just hope this message isn't late. So tonight, I'm so missing pieces out like Tetris. Fix apart and pause before they make the rest hectic. Even if you're nowhere near, I'll find you on the atlas. Couldn't just sit and watch us both in this madness. I'm trying in your presence, so we won't have to look back and say that we regret this. How many arguments before we learn our lessons? We used to chill when it's raining outside, but now we barely even talk when the sun shines. And it concerns me, and then it burns me all through the heart into the soul. To know you ain't in a happy home, it's hard for me to sleep thinking what the future holds. So many stories that we left untold. I'm not the type to sit and let it unfold. Maybe we're just tired from the same old fights, isolated to the point where we see no light. You know I heard your message up on the phone. I promise that I'll make it right on the low. Even if I gotta let you go. Even if I gotta let you go. Back when we stayed